Formulated with Acai and Goji berry, the most effective antioxidants known. The Joanna Vargas Vitamin C Face Wash is formulated with highly effective antioxidants to help protect your skin from environmental aggressors like pollution and city grime, revitalizing your face with every wash. This natural face wash has another powerful ingredient, Galactoarabinan. The larch tree provides this naturally derived ingredient, proven to boost cell turnover and also brightens your skin. The beauty benefits of this face wash for women are many. Cleanses your skin and removes makeup. Revitalizes, resurfaces and balances your skin. The result is a clean, clear complexion that is brighter, healthy and balanced. The Vitamin C Face Wash is a gentle exfoliating face wash created to remove surface impurities and dead cells, suitable for all skin types. Tons of antioxidants and ingredients that exfoliate, brighten and minimize wrinkles. Light and citrus-y scent, very reminiscent of a Southern California afternoon, made in small batches to ensure freshness. Comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Buy the Vitamin C Face Wash and change your skin to a fresh and natural complexion. This Vitamin C Face Wash is a skincare unicorn. This cleanser is the quickest way to get glowing skin. A multitasking formula that easily removes makeup, dirt and refreshes your skin. This is also an exfoliating face wash. Contains Galactoarabinan, a larch tree extract that in studies shows that it can minimize fine lines, perhaps because it acts as a gentle exfoliant and inhibits moisture loss. Supernaturally glowing skin can be your birthright. Loaded with powerful antioxidants, like goji juice, and a variety of citrus oils, this cleanser will be the foundation of any skincare routine that takes your skin to the next level. The beautifying power of vitamin C is harnessed in this gentle yet highly effective cleanser, just as Mother Nature intended it. No toxins, no parabens, just ingredients that nourish your skin. Parisians have said that this is a fabled luxury. This vitamin C cleanser is a beauty souvenir to Europeans because it's rare and not available in the EU yet. It forms the bedrock of any skincare routine and when used consistently creates a fresh face and flawlessly beautiful skin. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.